everyone, Mrs. Spatola here. These are the answers from our last homework assignment. Here's 2, 4, 6. There's 8, be very careful, and there's the answer to number 10. If you are not sure about any of these, please go back to the previous lesson, which was lesson 8. There is no lesson 9 for now. We are skipping around a little bit, so keep that in mind. Today's lesson is going to be Unit 3, Lesson 10, Review and Problem Solving. You are actually going to do this independently. So you can go back and rewatch any of the videos. There is a quiz in class for students today and for tomorrow. And then next week, you have a Unit 3 exam. So this will help you to get ready. So please make sure you complete this page, have everything completed when you come to class for tomorrow. And these are the remaining questions. All of the answers can be found in previous lessons in this unit. It's up to you to make sure that you're watching all of the lessons. In the upcoming days, we're going to be working on the study guide at the end of the unit. If you need additional support or help, you can actually look a little bit ahead to the study guide that's at the end of the unit. Have a great day.